As a leading distributor of parts and accessories for the player boat market, Coast Distribution System buys light steering resold products. Steering they buy the Coast Distribution System buys lights, steering wheels, propellers, resells them to marinas and boat repair shops. On resold products, 750,000 US wholesalers have annual sales of $2.8 trillion. Some 3.1 million US retailers purchase merchandise that, when resold, is valued at $3.1 trillion per year. Quite amazing. Government and institutional market. If we talk about government and institutional market, in addition to federal and state governments, there are some 87,000 local governments, municipalities, counties, and school districts in the United States. State and local governments annually spend $1.3 trillion for durable goods, non-durable services, construction, and so on. The institutional market consists of non-governmental organizations such as hospitals, churches, museums, charitable organizations, which also use supplies and equipment, as well as legal, accounting, and transportation services. Organizational buying behavior. In some respect, organizational buying behavior little resembles to the consumer buying practices. Differences include the buyer's purchasing skill and an emphasis on buyer seller relationship. Differences in buyers. Unlike most consumers, organizational buyers are professional, specialized, and expert, or at least well informed. Number one, as professionals, organizational buyers are trained in methods for negotiating purchase terms. Once buyer seller agreements have been reached, they also arrange for formal contracts. As a rule, industrial buyers are company specialists in a line of items. One buyer for a large bakery, for example, may specialize in food ingredients. Another buyer may specialize in baking equipment, industrial ovens, and mixes, while a third may office while the third may buy office equipment and supplies. Industrial buyers are often experts about the products they buy. On a regular basis, organizational buyers study competing products and alternative supplies by attending trade shows, by reading trade magazines, and by conducting technical discussions with the seller representatives. Differences in buyers and sellers' relationship. Consumer seller relationships are often impersonal, short lived, and one time interaction. In contrast, the industrial situation often involves frequent and enduring buyer seller relationships. The development of a long term relationship provides each party with the access to the technical strength of the other, as well as the security of knowledge what future businesses to expect. Thus, a buyer and a supplier may form a design team to create products of benefits to both. Accordingly, industrial sellers emphasize personal selling by trained representatives who understand the needs of each customer. The international marketing mix. Well, the international marketing mix has got a vision. Marketing internationally means mounting a strategy to support global business operations. Foreign customers, for example, differ from domestic buyers in language, customs, business practices, and consumer behavior. If they go global, marketers must reconsider each element of marketing mix, product pricing, place, and promotion. International products. Some products can be sold abroad with virtually no changes. Budweiser, Coca Cola, Marlboros are exactly the same in Peoria, Illinois, Paris, elsewhere in Europe.